the basic concept of third chapter, that is linear equations in two variables. A pair of linear equations in two variables. A pair of linear equations in two variables. You see, we can take these two equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. These are the linear equations in two variables. This we consider as equation 1 and this as equation 2. You see, here we have two variables x and y, and this 2, 3 and 6, these 3, 2 and 6 are constants. You see, we should have general equations of linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are the general linear equations. Okay. If you see, these are not in the general form because this 6 and this 12 are in this right hand side. First of all, we shift this in the left hand side like this. In the right hand side there must be only 0. When we compare these equations with this, we will get a1 is 2, a2 is 3, b1 3, b2 2, c1 minus 6 and c2 minus 12. By comparing the equations what we considered with the standard equations, we will get a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Now you see, we have to solve these equations. If we want to solve these equations, what we want to get? We want to find the values of the unknown quantities that are x and y. So we want to find the values of x and y. To solve these two equations, we have 4 methods. First is graphical method. Second is substitution method. Third is elimination method, and the fourth one is cross multiplication method. These are the 4 methods we have that we can use to solve any linear equations. Okay, if we have a pair of linear equations, then that pair can be solved by any of the 4 methods. This is the graphical method, and these 3 are algebraical methods. The first one is the graphical method, and the 3, that is substitution, elimination or cross multiplication, these are algebraic methods. You see, if we want to use this substitution method, about the graphical method we will talk later. Just now we will talk about these 3 methods: substitution, elimination and cross multiplication. If we want to use substitution method, out of any 2 equations, 1 we select, and from that equation we will find the value of any variable. Okay, either we select equation 1 or 2 and we find either x or y. Better we select equation 2 by equation 2. Equation 2 is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0, that is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. We will find the value of y from here. Either we can find x or y, any value. So we find here the value of y. We can write as 2y is equal to 12 minus 3x. This 3x we shift here. 2y is equal to 12 minus 3x, and y we will get 12 minus 3x by 2. We have chosen the second equation, and from that we calculated the value of y. This value we put in equation number 1. Equation 1 is 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. The value of y we place here. It is 2x plus 3. Y we place 12 minus 3x by 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. These terms, this is, we take 2 LCM. It will be 4x plus 36 minus 9x minus 12 is equal to 0. When we take LCM 2 we multiply here, it will be 4x plus this 3 we multiply inside, 12 3s are 36 minus 3 3s are 9x, and this 2 6 2s are 12, and we will get 2 in the denominator that we cross multiply to the 0, it will become 0. 4x minus 9x is minus 5x, and this 36 and 12 we will get 24. 24 we shift here, it is minus 24. X we get minus 24 by minus 5, that is 24 by 5. Okay, this 2 4 36 9 12. 36 minus 12 24, that we shift here, minus 24. 4x minus 9x minus 5x. This is the value of x. Either we put this value of x in 1 or in 2. This equation 2 we resolve and get this one. This is only equation 2. Okay, the same equation we resolve like this. So better the value of x directly we put here to get y. It will be y is equal to 12 minus 3 x. X we put 24 by 5 by 2. It is y is equal to 12 minus 72 by 5 by 2. It is y is equal to 60 minus 72 by 5 into 2. Okay, 60 minus 72 by 5, and this 2 by 1 we cross multiply by 2 by 1, we will get 1 by 2, that will be like this. It is minus from 70 to 60 we cancel, we will get 12. Minus 12 by 5 into 2 that will be minus 6 by 5. This is the value of y. So x we get 24 by 5 and y we will get minus 6 by 5. We can place these values to any of the two equations to verify. Okay, we can also verify that our answer is correct or not by substituting the values of x and y what we calculated in this equation, either in equation 1 or in equation 2. Two same, x we calculated as 24 by 5 plus 3 same, y we calculated as minus 6 by 5 minus 6 is equal to 0. It will be 48 by 5 minus 18 by 5 minus 6 is equal to 0. 5 we take LCM, it is 48 minus 18 minus 30. We will get it as 48 minus 48, that is 0 equal to 0. So in this way we can verify that what we have done is correct or not. This was substitution method. Our equations was 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. In the substitution method, out of the two, we have taken any one equation. From that, we calculated any of the variable, either x or y, and that value we put in this another equation to get. Okay. If we find the value of y, we can get x. If we find value of x, we get y. That value we put in any of the two equations to get the another variable. The second is elimination method. You see, if we want to use elimination method to solve these equations, we will just make the coefficient of any of the two variables equal. Either we can make the coefficient of x equal or we can make the coefficient of y equal. Okay? If we will make the coefficient of x equal, then x will be eliminated. If we make the coefficient of y equal, then y will be eliminated. So better we will make the coefficient of y equal here. So equation 1 we multiply by 2 and equation 2 we multiply by 3. It will be 4x plus 9y minus 12 is equal to 0 and 9x plus 6y minus 36 is equal to 0. When we multiply by 2 to the first equation, it is 4x plus 6y, this will be 6, minus 12, and when we multiply by 3 to the second equation, it will be 9x plus 6y minus 36. You can see we have equate the coefficient of y. In the same way, we can also equate the coefficient of x. If we want to equate the coefficient of x, the first equation we multiply by 3 and the second equation we multiply by 2. Now what we do? Just subtract the two equations. Okay? If you want to subtract the two equations, then the sign of the second equation you have to change. This 6y negative and this 6y positive will cancel out. 4x minus 9x is minus 5x, and minus 12 plus 36 is plus 24. So x we get minus 24 by minus 5, that is 24 by 5. This value of x we can put in any of the two equations to get y, or as we eliminated y, we can eliminate x also. If we want to eliminate x, we will make the coefficient of x equal. To make the coefficients of x equal, the first equation we multiply by 3 and the second equation we multiply by 2. It will be 6x plus 9y minus 18 equal to 0, and this will be 6x plus 4y minus 24 equal to 0. We have here made the coefficient of x equal. Again we subtract, just change the sign. This will be cancelled. 9y minus 4y is 5y, and minus 18 plus 24 is 6 we get, is equal to 0. Then y we will get minus 6 by 5. This is elimination method. It is known as double elimination. Here we eliminated x as well as y both. If we eliminate y, then x we obtained. If we eliminate x, then we obtain y. So in this way we can find the value of x and y by double elimination method. If we find the value of x by elimination and y by substitution, then that is known as elimination substitution. But here we calculated the two values by elimination, so it is known as double elimination. Now, if we want to use cross multiplication method to find the solutions of this equation, you see, we compare it with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are the general equations in two variables. We compare the given equations with these equations to get a1 is 2, a2 is 3, b1 3, b2 2, c1 minus 6 and c2 minus 12. So we can find a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 by comparing the given equations with the standard equations. Now, if we want to use cross multiplication method, we can write the formula x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the formula of cross multiplication method. If we want to obtain this formula, we will write here b, c, a, b, again b, c, a, b. Okay, we can write like this: a, b, c, a, b, c. Again a, b, c, a, b, c. Okay, a, b, c, a, b, c, then again a, b, c, a, b, c. Like this we write, no? Now we just remove this a and this c. These are not required. Means we start with b, b, c, a, b. You see, we can make a circle, and on this circle, like this, 3 arrows we put, and here we write a, b, and c. Okay, now we write with b, not with a, b. B, c, a, b. Like this, b, c, a, b. Again, b, c, a, b. This 1, 1, 1, 1, and this will be 2, 2, 2, 2. Here we write x, here y, and here 1. Now we multiply this to this, B1 C2, and then this to this, B1 C2 minus B2 C1, C1 A2 minus C2 A1, A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So the formula will be x upon B1 C2 minus B2 C1 is equal to y upon C1 A2 minus C2 A1 is equal to 1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1. In this way, we can learn how to remember this formula. Now x is B1 C2. B1 is 3, C2 is minus 12. It is 3 into minus 12. Minus B2 C1. B2 is 2. C1 is minus 6 is equal to y upon C1 A2. C1 is minus 6 and A2 is 3 minus C2 A1. C2 is minus 12 and A1 is 2 is equal to 1 upon A1 B2. A1 is 2 and B2 is same 2 minus A2 B1. A2 is 3 and B1 is also 3. So we can write as x upon 12 3s are minus 36 and 3 2s are 2 3s are 6 2s are 12 minus minus plus. Y upon 6 3s are 18 minus 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 plus 12 2s are 24 is equal to 1 upon 2 2s are 4 minus 3 3s are 9 we get. It will be x upon minus 24 is equal to y upon plus 6 is equal to 1 upon minus 5. Okay, first and third ratio we just equate, then x we will get minus 24 by minus 5, that is 24 by 5. And we equate second and third ratio, we get y equal to 6 by minus 5, that is minus 6 by 5. So we can get the values of x and y by cross multiplication method. Okay, either we can use substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method. These are known as algebraic methods.